Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Life Reviewed. My name is Dev, and this in front of me is my laptop, that is the Dell 3401. I have done a lot of videos on this. I've done the unboxing, the review, the 1 year review, and its RAM upgradation, many things to improve its performance, about its performance, and I'll put all of these videos in the description below. If you want, go check that out. So I know, out of you guys out there who has this laptop, I know you guys have performance issue with this laptop. This is the 4 GB variant and 1 TB HDD variant, and I know, at least for me, this has been a nightmare. This is very slow. Windows 10, it couldn't handle much of, I used to open Chrome. It used to take 5 minutes, 10 minutes to open Chrome. If you had multiple tabs open, it used to hang. Very problematic. So I tried everything. I tried removing unnecessary apps, and in the end, I upgraded the RAM from 4 GB to 16 GB. I added 8 GB RAM. I made a video of that. I will put the link of that somewhere up. You can check that out. And nothing worked out. In the end, I was just ready to throw this away. And another stupid thing that I did is I tried upgrading. It was eligible, my system, for some reason. I tried upgrading from 10 to 11. Windows 11 is quite bad, quite unstable, and it completely crashed my system. I had to take it to the service center, and they fixed that. And they also asked me, like, do I want to upgrade it to SSD? And I was like, yeah, what harm does it make? Let's just try one more thing. And then I was ready to throw it away, and I actually did that. And it made a lot of difference. It boots up really well. Everything is fast now. The only problem is sometimes it crashes. Sometimes it just simply restarts. I don't know why it's happening. I have to look into that. But and it happens. It's not rare. It happens quite often. It happens one every 3 times I use this laptop. And but the thing is, the performance has increased a lot. I'm no longer thinking of throwing this away. And the difference that made this happen is a SSD. I installed 256 SSD and show you how to do that. I'll show you the SSD. I'll give you all the configuration of that. And all of you out there who are fed up with this, thinking of throwing it away like I was, just upgrade it. Just add an SSD on top of your HDD, and your problems will be solved. Trust me, I have been there. Now I will just turn it this way and open it, and we'll show you what I did and what you can do. So almost done. All the screws are open, I think so. Okay, so those of you who remember, who have seen my earlier videos, you know that this is the RAM that we installed. A little bit of dust on top of that. This is the 8 GB RAM. Again, see the video if you haven't. Now, the main topic of this video, this is the CyberX SSD. This is 256 GB. I will just quickly tell you the model specifications and the model number and the specifications of this. This is NVMe PCIe Gen 3.0x4 SSD, and the model number of this is CYM280NV. So those of you out there who are wondering which model to buy, which is compatible, because all of the SSDs are not compatible with this model. This is the Dell 3401. So this model is compatible. This runs fine, and this one costs around 3,000 rupees. The price goes up and down, and it's very easy to install. You can do it yourself. There is just one screw here, Phillips screw. You have to take it out, push it here in this slot, push it down. You will hear a click, and then reattach this screw here. But there is a catch here. The RAM, you can easily do it yourself and it is done. This one SSD, you can easily put it yourself, but the thing is, after you have installed it, you will have to transfer your Windows from your HDD to this one. So right now my entire Windows and C drive is here, and if you don't do that, your boot time will not decrease. So you have to do that. You remember that. You can find many videos out there. You'll have to do it, make a bootable pen drive, and etc. etc. You will find other videos out there which tells you how to do that. I did not want to go into all this things, so I just gave it to the service center. Anyways, it was dead after installed Windows 11, and it helped a lot. And this is how you have to you can increase the performance of this laptop. Now we'll do the boot test of this one. Let me again put this back together, and we'll time it and show you how much difference it made. Alright, so I have put this back together. Now I have opened a stopwatch, and I will show you the boot time of this one. So here we go. 2, 3, 4, 5. You see, it started. Earlier, let me tell you, it used to take around a minute, 2 minutes, and it's 15 seconds. It opened, and yeah, that's it. 20 seconds, guys. On dot 20 seconds. That's the boot time, and it takes even less, like 15 to 20 seconds, and it's completely booted up. And again, let me show you how long it takes to shut down. So here we go. Oh no, okay, sorry, I forgot there is another step there. And again, shutting down. You see, it took just 3 seconds to completely shut this down, and that much, that's the difference that it makes. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you like this video. I know you must have questions. Put them in the comment section below and answer each and every one of you. This will be the last of my Dell series. I'm completely satisfied with this right now, 3401. Just for the reboot thing, otherwise it's completely working fine. And if something happens, I will update you, but till then, let's see. Alright, I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe and check out one of our latest videos here. Goodbye.